7 ways to make money online and get paid within 12 to 72 hours. Hey, you want to make some money online? You've come to the right video, and here's the exciting thing: you're going to get paid right away. All of the things I'm going to teach you in this video, and I've got 7 of them, will pay you within 12 to 72 hours. So within half a day to, what is that, 3 days, you're going to have money. That's pretty cool, guys. Follow along with me. At the very end, you'll have all the tools you need to make some money online. Thanks so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down there. If that button is red, you need to click it, turn it gray. Don't forget to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every single time I go live. Okay, let's jump right in this. At the end, I also have a free course for you. I normally sell it for 97 bucks. I'm giving it away for free, so check that out too. All right, the first way right here to make money online is watching videos. Are you making money now? No, of course not. You're not going to make money off watching this video. Well, yeah, you will, because you'll learn how to make money, so technically you will, but I'm talking about just actually watching videos and getting paid to watch videos. There is a way to do that. The site to do that is SWAGBUCKS, SWAGBUCKS. I love SWAGBUCKS because there you can do surveys, you can watch videos, you can do all kinds of stuff. Matter of fact, they'll give you $5 just for signing up. So you want to check out SWAGBUCKS if you want to make some money just watching videos and entertaining yourself. Number 2, do you like music? Well, you can review music on this particular site and actually get paid for it. It's called SLICETHEPIE. Pretty cool stuff, actually. They have all types of different music on there, and all you have to do is listen to the music, give your opinions afterwards, and they will actually pay you to do that. As a matter of fact, if you're really into music, your friends probably are too, but get this: if you refer your friends, you can actually get paid when they sign up too. So you can have 2 different incomes coming in just for listening to music. I mean, how hard is that? Now, their payout schedule is every Tuesday and Friday, and they pay out through PayPal. So that's when you're actually going to see it hit your account. You go shopping, you do you get receipts? Well, number 3 is going to be for you, because you get paid to go shopping. Now, that may sound insane, but there is an app called IBOTTA. I'll put that on the screen, IBOTTA. And every time you go shopping, if you just scan those receipts, you can build up value and actually get paid to go shopping. And we're talking everything from Walmart to Home Depot to your grocery store, all the stores that you're going to anyhow. All you have to do is scan the receipt and you actually get paid for it. That's a pretty good deal. So check out IBOTTA and you can start getting paid for something you already are doing. Number 4 is do online tasks. Now, one of the best ones out there is Amazon Mechanical Turk. You can sign up for Amazon Mechanical Turk. What it is there's certain things that artificial intelligence just can't do. They need a human to do it. They could be surveys, they could be transcription, they could be playing games. There's all kinds of things you can do at Mechanical Turk and get paid for it. If you wanted to look at some other sites, you could certainly do that. Freelancer.com is out there. You could go to Upwork and get jobs on there. There's so many sites now. You never really have to leave your house to make money. I mean, we get our groceries delivered, we get our clothing, furniture we have furniture delivered to our house, which is insane, but you can definitely do that now. So you can actually earn your money online, spend it online, and never have to leave the house. I prefer to leave the house, but if you're the type person that doesn't want to go out and make some money from your couch, Mechanical Turk, it's for you. So is Upwork or Freelancer.com, any of those sites. They're going to pay you and you're going to make money for doing things online. Do you have opinions about things? Would you like to get paid for your opinions? Well, check out Paid Viewpoint. Matter of fact, let's go over to their site right now and we'll check out Paid Viewpoint. Okay, here I am at Paid Viewpoint right here. Let's check out this demo. They have a demo we can watch and we can see how it works.
Paid Viewpoint is the friendliest experience ever for survey takers. We get it. Answering market research surveys can be painfully boring, frustrating, and fruitless. Seriously, aren't you fed up with reading through endless pages in exchange for tickets that will never end up in your pocket? We've challenged ourselves to create a place where answering surveys is always a fun and happy experience. Short questions, short answers, fast surveys, images, videos, sliders. Usually, you're in and out of a survey in 2 to 3 minutes. Why should you suffer from a research maniac who put a whole book into a survey and asked you to write another one in return? Like Twitter, we believe in keeping everything short and sweet, so we restrict how many characters, number of questions, and answers researchers can use. Never find yourself screened out of a survey again. Once you're invited, you are in and will be paid. All you have to do is get there before the survey closes. We know that your opinion is valuable, so our promise to you is simple. We pay cash for every answer to every question. We pay for each question asked during registration, and we pay to learn your traits and demographics. It's all in our name. Cash out your earnings once you reach $15. The cash will be in your PayPal in less than 72 hours. We don't pay with expired gift cards, tickets, points, or coupons. Cash only. Sorry. Paid Viewpoint. Cash for every opinion. What do you think about that?
Okay, so there's Paid Viewpoint. You can do that, and like she said, that's under 72 hours and you're going to get paid. Number 6, get paid to do tasks in your own town. That's pretty cool. It's called the field agent. The field agent will pay you to do little tasks in your town. So maybe some company needs a display fixed, maybe they need to have some pictures taken of something, maybe they need to have something rearranged, but you can do it all in your own town. Now these jobs are going to pay you anywhere from $3 to $12 per job, but usually only take you a few minutes. You'll get paid out on PayPal as long as your balance is at least $2, which of course it always will be. All you need is a smartphone and you can start getting paid at Field Agent. Check it out. Number 7, get paid to do transcription. There are a lot of companies out there that may have an audio or they may have a video and they need a transcription of what is said in that actual audio or video. All you have to do is listen to it and type it out and send it in and you get paid. It's that easy. There's a bunch of them out there that you can get, guys. There's rev.com, and I'll list some others in the description below, but bottom line is transcribing stuff is pretty darn easy, and if you're a fast typist you can do it pretty quick because you can always speed up the speed of that particular video, and if you speed up the speed of the video or the audio or whatever you're listening to and you type it out fast, you'll be done real fast. Now some people have actually used transcription software. Not sure if you're supposed to do that or not, probably not, but that may be something you want to check out. So there it is, guys. There's a whole bunch of ways that you can actually get paid, right, and not even have to leave your house, except for that one where you're a field agent. You did have to leave your house for that one, but that's okay. If you're out anyhow, then it doesn't matter and you're getting paid to go out and look around. Guys, I hope you appreciate this video. I hope you got something out of it. I hope you learned something. That's the important part. And the one thing I want to also express in this video is people who say they can't make money nowadays, well, it's just not true. There's so many jobs in America right now. There's a lot of jobs. I don't know about around the world, but in addition to that, no matter what country you're in, no matter what region of the world you live in, if you've got access to the internet, you can actually make money online. There's so many ways you can do it, guys. So don't sit back and say, well, I'm not good at this, I'm not good at that, and I don't know how to make any money. Learn. You're learning right now, right? You watch this video and you instantly picked up 7 different ways you can make money online. Imagine if you studied every day for 30 minutes or an hour on how to make money online. On this channel alone, I have over 1,000 videos at the time of this recording. Maybe when you're getting here I have 10,000 or something, but I have over 1,000 videos, and since I have over 1,000 videos, there's a lot of knowledge there. And guess what it costs to listen to my videos? It's free. It's free to watch my videos. You know, I would, if I were you, I would binge them. You know, take 2 or 3 days and watch 100 videos. Let me know what you learned. Watch 100 of my videos, put a comment below, or 50, even 50 of my videos, put a comment below. It won't even take you that long. Most of them are 10 minutes. It's not even that many hours of work for, it's not even work, it's entertainment. My goodness, there's such good videos. You're going to enjoy them so much. So watch a bunch of these videos, guys, and the goal you want to have is to improve your skills. Keep improving your skills. Keep learning more. Keep knowing more. As you do this, you will become more valuable to yourself, your family, and society at large. And as you do that and your value goes up, guess what? You get more money. You get paid more because you can do more. You're more valuable. So I just wanted to kind of put that in your ear. If you're concerned, if you're worried that you don't have skills, the skills are there. You can pick up the skills. The jobs are there. You can take the jobs. Guys, you can make money. There's no reason nowadays in this society with the internet that you would say I can't make any money, because you can. All you got to do is put forth a little bit of effort. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have other ways to make money online, put that in the comment section below. If you've tried some things that have worked, or maybe you've tried some things that didn't work, I'd like to hear about that too. Maybe you have questions about how to make money online. Put that in the comments below. I really appreciate you listening to this video. I really appreciate you watching. Do me a favor and subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit that big subscribe button down there, turn it from red to gray. Don't forget to ring the bell. turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I really do appreciate you taking out the time, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.